In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Quick Issue Create feature in Jira. If you need to add a new issue without spending too much time navigating through multiple screens, Jira's Quick Issue Creation tool makes the process simple and efficient. It's a great way to capture work as soon as it comes up, while still making sure the issue includes the key information your team needs. To get started, open Jira and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the project where you want to create the issue. This is important because issues are usually tied to a specific project, and starting in the right place helps keep everything organized from the beginning. Next, look at the top of the Jira page and click the Create button. This opens the issue creation window where you can quickly enter the basic information for your new item. This feature is designed to save time, especially when you already know what needs to be logged and just want to get it into the system right away. Inside the Create Issue window, choose the issue type that best fits the work. Depending on your setup, this might be something like a task, bug, story, request, or epic. Selecting the right issue type matters because it helps your team categorize work properly and may also affect which fields are available. If Jira asks you to confirm or choose a project, make sure the correct one is selected before moving on. Now add the issue details. Start with the summary, which should be short but clear enough that someone can understand the purpose of the issue at a glance. Then enter a description that explains the work needed. The more specific you are here, the easier it will be for the assignee or team members to take action later. After that, fill in any important fields that apply to your workflow, such as the assignee, priority, due date, labels, and components. These details help with planning, filtering, and tracking, so it's worth taking an extra moment to complete them accurately. Before creating the issue, quickly review everything you entered. Check that the issue type, summary, and project are all correct, and make sure the most important details are included. When everything looks good, click Create. Jira will then generate the new issue and add it to the project. Once the issue has been created, you can open it and add more information if needed. For example, you might attach files, leave comments, create subtasks, or link the issue to other related issues. This is helpful when you want to capture the issue quickly first and then expand on the details afterward. And that's how to use the Quick Issue Create feature in Jira.